guys, and welcome to my DIY Christmas home tour. In this video I will show you all the different areas that I have decorated with DIYs that I had picked up, that I had made. So right off the bat, when you walk in, my first Christmas tree, which is a 9-foot slim tree, this one consists, I would say, of 80% of the DIYs that I have made. All the ornaments that I have created in the past couple of years.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the...
When you move over to this side of the front hallway, the bench was a DIY. So was the sign above the bench. Unfortunately, I did not record that video.
Time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been
And then the sphere that is underneath the Christmas tree was a recent DIY as well.
See the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling.
So if you head on over to my powder room, I just have these candle holders that I DIY'd last year from Dollar Tree items.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to be.
In my formal living room, these fluffy little pillows was an actual Valentine's Day DIY, which I will have all the videos linked in the description box for you to see. And if you want to just see a regular home tour without me going over all the DIYs, head on over to my home channel. I will have that home tour over there. So on each side of this fireplace, I have these advent calendars that I made last year. They were a great hit. They're a great hit with my teenagers, and I think they are great for older children as well as the little kids, but older children because you can put other items other than just chocolates in there.
Christmas decorated in town.
And then I also have this Mary sign, which I DIY'd this year, and that was a dollar store item as well.
Just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new.
Then over on my dining room, in my dining room I have created these presents which I think fit this tree perfectly, and there are several DIY ornaments on the tree as well, which I actually posted last week.
I have nothing but love for you.
Over on my hot cocoa bar, I have that Christmas tree that was a DIY, as well as the blackboard, the hot cocoa blackboard, but I do not have a video for that.
A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why.
I have DIYed these Christmas trees as well. Well, actually, I just flocked them and I'm using them in a different way. I will link the video in the description box anyways, just so you can see how I flocked them and how I used them last year. And up top on my hutch, I have the red truck sign that was a DIY, as well as the farm fresh Christmas trees over here on the wall.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
In my family room, the Christmas sign on the tray on a coffee table was a dollar store DIY, as well as these coasters. Now they were in dollar store, they were Walmart. And on my fireplace, I have these 3 wood Christmas trees, and the other 2 are the ones that inspired these 3 for me to make. My tree tray consists of several DIYs as well. Some I just shared and some I shared earlier this season.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is...
The shelf pretty much consists of mostly DIYs. I've got the deer picture, the home sign, as well as the wreath on the home sign, and the crate, Farm Fresh Christmas tree crate.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year...
Over in my kitchen with the gingerbread theme, I have created this Merry Christmas red truck sign.
Making our Christmas memories, oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone.
As well as the fresh baked gingerbread served here. That was my really first time using my cooking machine. And then I have several DIYs like the joint and season greetings over in my corner cabinet. And over on my breakfast bar, I just have my angry gingerbread man, and somebody had suggested, one of the viewers, to add chimneys, and I think that would be a great idea. Well, I hope you enjoyed this DIY Christmas home tour. If you enjoyed it, please let me know down in the comments. Give me a thumbs up. I think it's great to share how we use all the DIYs that we create for our home. So, and if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Sonja, and I have this channel, which is a DIY channel, as well as two other ones, home and cooking channel. And over on my home channel, you will find a home tour that doesn't consist of me talking about all the DIYs. So if you want to check out that home tour as well, head on over to my home channel. So until next time, hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, happy decorating, and I'll see you all in my next video.